That curtain just moved.
I saw that move.
You saw that, right?
That was weird.
What?
Dude, it's so dark in here.
Wow.
Oh,
babe! I can't see anything. I can't even see my hands in front of me right now. Hello vibes, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a really special video. This is something I've never done on my channel before, and it was actually my mom's idea, so shout out to Mama Kay. Today's video we are going to be doing a in the dark scary desserts challenge, which if you don't know what that is, which I've never seen anybody do it, have you?
No.
I don't think I've ever seen anybody do it. Basically, we're gonna turn off all the lights in this room, turn off everything. We're gonna be completely in the dark. We're gonna have a night vision setting on our camera, so you're gonna see what we're doing, and we're gonna try to make a scary dessert. We have Rice Krispie treats. My mom has cookies and candy. We have eyeballs right here, marshmallows, ghosts, icing. Like, we have everything. It's just gonna be really fun, and it's gonna be a huge mess. Oh, we have sprinkles as well. These are really cool. We got all of this at Walmart, so if you wanna like check out that stuff, we got all of this at Walmart and Target, actually, right? Walmart and Target. I'm really nervous. I'm hoping nobody's gonna, what are you doing?
I want one of these.
I'm hoping nobody's gonna like elbow me in the eye, because we do have to be really close together for the camera to pick us up. So don't be scared, but we're about to turn off the lights.
And if you see anything,
tell us in the comments.
Around us.
I don't even want to see.
It's about to get spooky.
I hope it's not one of those videos we start editing and we see stuff afterwards.
Don't even say that. Okay. So now let's hit the lights. Wow.
Oh shit.
Babe!
I was trying to spill the chocolate.
Look how he saves the chocolate.
Saved
Look
it.
how he saves the chocolate. Instead of saving himself, he saves the chocolate. Idiot. Are you ready? Because look at this.
I'm ready. Hit that light.
This must be a challenge.
Okay guys, so I'm setting a timer for 5 minutes. I'm giving us all 5 minutes to complete our scary desserts. Are you all ready?
Yes.
I'm scared. Nobody elbow me. Okay, ready?
I can't even see.
Set. Go. Okay, let me open this. Open it. I can't see. I hope this is the right one. Okay. Stop touching. Okay.
Okay, where's my plate at?
Good. I hope I'm putting icing all over this. I can't see.
I don't even know what
I can't see.
What am I making?
I hope this has icing all over
with that laugh.
I can't see any.
I want the ball.
You're messing up my dessert. You're messing up my dessert.
Oh, these eyeballs don't want to come out, and I need them to come out.
What's going on?
Wait.
Okay, I got one. They're not coming out.
Oh, see?
No.
There's a freaking thing on there, probably.
No, there's not. There's 2. I already got 2 out.
Hey, you made me drop it. How many eyeballs do you need?
Damn, these things don't come out. What the fuck?
Wait.
I don't know what to make.
Where's the blood? Where's the blood? Where's the blood spray?
I don't know.
I can't see. Where's the blood spray? I need the blood spray.
Y'all are messing me up.
Where's the...
Wait. I just need the fucking blood spray. I can't find it. I can't find it. Did you take it?
I didn't take nothing. I can barely... I've been in my own... Don't be knocking stuff over here. I've been in my own little zone.
Wait, you're messing me up, dude.
Wait. He took it. I just need the fucking spray. Where's it?
This is a kid's show. Okay. One done. One is
You're
done.
already done. You're cheating. I really
How
need
am
the
I
spray.
cheating? How am I cheating?
I must be so mad. Where's the spray?
What spray?
The blood spray. It's in a tube.
Here's.
What is this?
It's in a tube.
Quit.
Where'd you put the
It's in a
icing
tube.
at?
Okay, one of y'all took it. Mom,
What?
did you take it?
There is no
blood spray. The tube. You don't know where it's at.
Tube.
The thing that sucks is
The red tube.
The thing that sucks is I don't know what color this is. I need it to be orange. Let me see where's the other icing.
Wait. All my Reese's are melting.
How much is
I just want my freaking tube. Ew, you just put your candy on my hand.
Guys, which one is
Okay.
orange? I don't know. I need to know. This is crucial.
My look doesn't go if I don't have the tube.
I think I just saw the shadow.
Shut up. I need my tube.
Hey, who's that?
No,
Shut up.
bro,
Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me for real, y'all.
I'm praying this is orange.
Okay, wait. This is.
I can't see anything.
I don't know what color icing this is because Nathan moved everything
This
around.
is not coming out the
I just hope this is orange.
Oh, wait. I remember.
If y'all find the tube.
Oh, this is so squishy. What's that flashing though? Look, you see that flash right there?
Flashing?
You saw that?
What was that? Is that the
Stop,
candle?
Nathan.
It's a candle.
Stop.
It's the candle. Nathan.
Stop.
Quit messing with me.
I blew the other
Where's the
candle out.
tube?
This is so nasty. I don't even know if I'm doing it right.
Just tell me.
Do we have napkins? Do we not bring napkins?
I have a story plan, and y'all
I
are
need
messing it up by
napkins.
keeping the tube from
I
me.
cannot. What?
I need.
Okay, I need to move on.
My hands are
I
disgusting.
can't get that thing open.
I'm not
tube.
cleaning up any
You
of
have
this
the
mess.
tube?
What tube?
The fucking tube.
Man, I think I used
I
the
was
wrong
so
color.
excited to use it. Well, you
Hey,
should.
what color icings did we get?
You should.
Did we get
You
one?
should have prepared better.
Okay, my thing's done right here.
Man,
Mine's gonna be good. Y'all fucking around. Mine's gonna be good.
I can't. Y'all
I don't
shit's
know.
up there. I don't even know what I'm grabbing. Fucking ball of what is this?
I'm done. I'm gonna be the winner.
Get out of my face.
I'm gonna be the winner because you're whack. I prepared for this. All
Did you? Did you go to night school?
Oh shit! I think I got icing all over your phone.
Wow. Okay,
Wow.
which one is the ghost
Wow,
sprinkle?
you're just messing up,
Which one is the ghost sprinkle? Is this ghost?
baby. So
Does this feel like ghost?
What are these things? Where is she?
I think this is ghost sprinkles. Okay, I'm done. I'm done.
Man, I lost this shit.
Time. Turn on the lights.
At least I got it right.
Hey, this actually doesn't look that bad.
you gotta quit.
The tube is gone.
Was the tube ever even here? It's over there.
No, the spray one? That's a. What the fuck is
Yeah,
that?
what is that, Miss? I'm gonna win. She did try to make this shit. I told her.
Bring the camera close.
What is you got last place?
You gotta
I
bring
didn't
the
even do
camera
anything.
close.
That's a ghost with some pumpkins. My shit looks clean. Look. How's that funny? My shit looks better than yours. I know she ain't laughing. Her shit look like a junkyard.
I need a rematch because y'all distracted me.
Ain't no rematch. You got last place. She can't. This whole time she thought she was gonna do something spectacular.
That's not fair. You just stuck some eyeballs on a bright
True. He didn't even stick eyeballs. He just.
She's
balled
talking
it.
about you.
Hey, mine. You're talking about me?
Yeah, that shit don't even. This is
Of
cool.
course, it's a story.
This is a bat.
So this is mine. If I would have found this tube of blood, it would have looked way better. But basically mine is a story. I don't know if you can see. So the first part is eyeballs, you know, with black icing that I got all over my hand, which is him dying. A person died. And then there's a tombstone with
So his
bones.
eyeballs died.
Yeah. Like, well, his eyeballs were taken out because he's dead. And there's a tombstone with bones, which means he was buried. And then he turned into a ghost. So here's a ghost with other little ghosts. So he has friends now. So this is my story. Vote for me below. Vote for Brittney, please.
I want y'all to go. I want you to put in the little caption the pictures of what it's supposed to look like because this is really similar.
Yeah. If if a judge was
This
like,
is really similar. This was Dracula's smile, and he also had two eyeballs. Can you see?
That's a big,
but
yeah.
but because they kept hitting me and all that, it kept falling off. So, anyways, this is my creation. I worked on it all day. I even baked the cookies. And
She did bake the cookies.
I did bake the cookies. So vote for me, Mama Kay, to be the winner. Because I did too. Mine is a story too. The bat. Mine is a story too. The bat and Dracula had a fight. And this is what happened.
I got the Rice Krispie, and what I did is I balled them up, made a nice little ball. And it's supposed to be a pumpkin, but the thing is... Stay up, man. So the thing is...
He just put the eyeballs on
No,
there.
I had the eyeballs on there.
He did not have the eyeballs on there.
So the thing is, it's supposed to be a pumpkin, and I couldn't see where anything was, so all I could really do was make the pumpkin, and I found these little ghosts. And really, the story behind mine is, it's really deep. It's really deep. You know how you carve, like, whenever you... Man. You know... You know how you guys spend so much time carving pumpkins each year, and like you set out a really nice pumpkin, and then someone steals it? Like, you ever came outside and you're like, where'd my pumpkin go? And those damn kids, those damn teenage kids, they took your pumpkin and they smashed it somewhere. Well, this right here, these ghosts represent those damn kids. They're basically going woo and taking the pumpkin. So the ghosts stole the pumpkin and they're just going away with the pumpkin, and they're gonna go smash them, but they keep falling. So.
After he put the eyes on.
Actually, you know what? I changed my story. You know what? Everything I just said, squash that. The name of this thing is no. It's all about representation, and it's all about the name as well.
This thing right here doesn't even want to stay there.
Listen. Y'all gonna like this.
Okay, go.
It's off the top.
He doesn't even. Me and Brittany on the sides and Nathan in the middle.
You know why? Because it's, instead of peekaboo, it's pumpkin boo. See? And the eyes are pumpkin boo. That's what it is. This one right here, you guys leave a comment down below. Go ahead and vote for Pumpkin Boo. Peekaboo, Pumpkin Boo. Y'all just mad because I got the best story.
No, you literally, no.
Pumpkin Boo.
Instead of Peekaboo, it's Pumpkin. Those right there are his hands. The ghost
Someone died in my story. There was a light.
Just vote for Mama Kay.
Nah, vote for me.
Just vote for Mama Kay.
And that completes this video, love bugs. Make sure you vote down below on whose you thought was the best, which was obviously mine.
Pumpkin Boo.
Thank you.
Look. These are his hands. He's going like this. Like, peekaboo.
Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy watching it, and leave us a comment on what other challenges you want us to do. I had a lot of fun doing this one, so if you want us to do another one like this, definitely let me know. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, love bugs.